Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to become a professional ASP.NET Core developer by 2026, you've come to the right place. Today, we're laying out the complete roadmap, a step-by-step guide to take you from zero to hero. This is your definitive guide to mastering one of the most powerful web development frameworks out there. So grab a coffee, get ready to take some notes, and let's start your journey. First things first, you need a rock-solid foundation. This all begins with C# and the .NET framework. Don't just skim the surface here. You need to dive deep into object-oriented programming concepts. Think classes, inheritance, and polymorphism. Get comfortable with asynchronous programming using async and await, which is crucial for building responsive applications. Master LINQ for querying data like a pro, and understand the different types of collections and when to use them. Finally, wrap your head around the basics of .NET Core itself. This foundation is non-negotiable. Everything else builds upon it. Next up, let's talk about data. Every meaningful application needs a database, and for .NET developers, that often means SQL Server and Entity Framework Core. Start by learning the fundamentals of SQL. Then dive into EF Core, which is Microsoft's Object Relational Mapper. You'll need to master CRUD operations, create, read, update, and delete. Understand how to use migrations to keep your database schema in sync with your code. I also highly recommend learning the repository pattern. It's a design pattern that will make your data access layer clean, testable, and maintainable. And of course, you'll be using your LINQ skills extensively here to write powerful queries. With the foundation and database layer sorted, it's time to get into the heart of it all. The Model View Controller Architecture, or MVC. This is the pattern that organizes your application. You'll learn how models represent your data, views handle the user interface, and controllers act as the brain, processing requests and returning responses. You need to understand routing, which maps incoming URLs to controller actions. Get hands-on with Razor views to build dynamic web pages. Learn about view models for shaping data specifically for your views, and master dependency injection, a core concept in modern need that promotes loosely coupled code. Don't forget middleware, which is essential for handling requests and responses in a pipeline. Once you've got the core concepts down, it's time to level up with advanced topics. Security is paramount, so you'll need to learn authentication and identity to manage users and logins, as well as authorization to control what those users can access. You'll also expand into building REST APIs, which are the backbone of modern applications. Learn about JSON Web Tokens, or JWT, for securing those APIs. And to build robust, production-ready applications, you must learn about logging, caching strategies, and performance optimization techniques to make your app fast and reliable. Of course, a backend is only half the story. You need solid front-end skills to bring your applications to life. This means being proficient in the classic trio, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You should also learn a CSS framework like Bootstrap or Tailwind to build beautiful, responsive designs quickly. Understand how to use Ajax to make asynchronous calls to your backend APIs without reloading the page, creating a smoother user experience. While you don't need to be a front-end guru, knowing the basics of how single-page applications work will be a huge advantage. Finally, the most important step, build real projects. Theory is great, but nothing beats hands-on experience. Apply everything you've learned to build a portfolio. Start with something like a blog or a simple content management system. Then, challenge yourself with a more complex project, like an e-commerce website with a shopping cart and payment integration. Or, build a standalone REST API for a mobile app. This is where all the pieces come together and your skills truly solidify. And that's your complete roadmap to becoming an ASP. .NET Core MVC professional in 2026. It's a journey, but a rewarding one. Follow this path, stay consistent, and you'll be building amazing applications in no time. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more coding, roadmaps, and tutorials. Thanks.